كده. In today's video, we'll look at the connections of cello-f with its harnesses. Basically, there are two harnesses provided for cello-f. One is the basic 17-wire harness and the other one is the full harness. The full harness is used when we require voice calling, otherwise the 17-wire harness is used. The 17-wire harness consists of a 20-pin connector which is fitted in the 20-pin connector given in the device. The device can be opened with the help of a screw and a notch which is provided in the device in this way. This is the battery. This is a 17-wire harness, the description of which will be provided to you along with the necessary documents. The red one is the red and black represents the power cables, and the violet stands for ignition. This is the serial to USB converter. You can use your own serial to USB converter, or you can use the serial port of the PC. A female to female converter is required for this. If the serial port of the harness consists of a male connector, you require a female to female converter, DB9. This is the cellocator programmer in which you can query the device. You have to first make some configuration settings in which you have to set the baud rate of the device to 115200, set the COM port, the unit type should be cello 4K. This here is the query button. Once you query the device, it will give you the unit's number, the hardware type, the software version, the modem type. Then you can either program the device or go through the parameters. You will require a PL file according to the firmware of the device. This is the full harness. Full harness is used only in case of voice calling. When voice calling is required, you use the full harness. The full harness here consists of a RJ45 female connector. You will receive a cable which has at its one end as the RJ45 male and the other end acts as a DB9 male connector. Ahead of this, you will require a cross plug, which will be provided to you, which will be something like this. In this way, you can connect the device using the full harness for voice calling functionality. I hope this will help you in connecting the device and understand it better way.